I'm Jeremy Marquez, and I'm a student in Mysteries Honors Trig 4th period class, and this is my Conics project. This is the finished product. It's Kirby from the popular video game series. I used to play it when I was younger. So I'll show you how I did the arm and some of his mouth. So for his arm here, I actually used a parabola because I wanted it to be gripping the sword. So I needed it to be coming off to the side, so it was a y squared graph, and I set that equal to -1/2. And the h value was x minus 15. So the h value was positive 15, and therefore coming into contact with the sword. And then I had to restrict it. And so this restriction is very particular. I needed it to end where the circle met the parabola. So that was 9.871 is less than or equal to x. And then we get that restriction going right there. And so for extra detail on the face, I used hyperbolus. And so what that looked like was a x squared divided by 25, and that would give me 5 units in each direction on the x-axis, minus y plus 3 squared, all over 4. And then I set that equal to 1. And then I need to restrict it so it would end within the face. So this restriction was y is less than or equal to -1 to keep it from going too far into his cheeks. And then for the x, for restriction of the domain, I put -7 is less than or equal to x and less than or equal to +7. And then we get a restriction going right there. It stays within his face. It looks proportional. And that was my Conics project. Thank you, Mr. U.